Pelsee P12 Pro Max vs Wolfbox G900. Which dash cam should you buy? If you're looking for a mirror-style dash cam with high-resolution recording, the Pelsee P12 Pro Max and Wolfbox G900 are two interesting options. But which one is right for you? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Pelsee P12 Pro Max uses a Sony SDARVIS2 sensor for its front camera and records in 4K at 30 frames per second. Its rear camera records in 2.5K, and the system also includes HDR, GPS, Wi-Fi, voice control, and parking monitoring. Another advantage is that the Pelsee package includes a memory card, which means you have storage ready to use without necessarily buying one separately. The Wolfbox G900 is built around the digital rearview mirror experience. It features a large display and is designed to make viewing the front and rear camera feeds convenient while driving. Both systems can provide a much wider view than a basic front-only dash cam, but there is a trade-off. Installation is more complicated. You'll need to route wiring to the rear camera, and parking mode features may require additional setup depending on your vehicle. The Pelsee is particularly attractive if your priority is front camera image quality and a complete package of included features. The Wolfbox can be the better choice if you care more about the large digital mirror display and the overall interface. So, which should you buy? For a strong all-around recording package, the Pelsee is a compelling choice. But if the digital rearview mirror experience is your priority, the Wolfbox may suit you better. If you want to check the latest details or buy one of these dash cams, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and tell me which one you choose.